How to fix media not downloading automatically on WhatsApp on iPhone. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Then select Storage and Data. Under Media Auto Download, you'll see options for photos, audio, videos, and documents. Tap Photos and select Wi-Fi and cellular data if you want photos to download automatically using either connection. Do the same for videos, audio, and documents, depending on what you want WhatsApp to download automatically. If media still isn't downloading, go to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down and tap WhatsApp. Select Photos and make sure WhatsApp has permission to access your photos. Also, check your internet connection and make sure you have enough free storage on your iPhone. And that's how you can fix media not downloading automatically on WhatsApp on iPhone. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.